We're looking at the integral of x e to the negative x squared dx. And initially, this may look like an integration by parts problem because we're dealing with a product here. But, and while I'm sure you could figure this out through integration by parts, it's also necessary to recognize when you have items and the derivatives of these items in your integrand, that sets you up nicely for a u-sub. And so what we can do here is let u equal negative x squared right here. And then, of course, the derivative of u would be negative 2x dx. And what we have here is x dx. So if we divide this by negative 2 and divide that by negative 2, we'll be left with x dx here. And what that lets us rewrite this as is negative 1/2 times the integral e to u du. And of course, the integral of e to u is just eu. And so what that lets us do is say negative 1/2 eu plus c, because this is an integral with no bounds. And of course here, u needs to be replaced with negative x squared. So what this results in is negative e to negative x squared over 2 plus c. And that is the solution to the integral x e to the negative x squared dx. If you have any questions, or if you have any other calculus or physics problems you'd like me to work through, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.